Patient can live. Patient can live. We are audible. Let us start audible by doing some of the lectures. Let us start audible by doing some of the lectures. Let us start audible by doing some of the lectures. We have given some question or 3 plus 1 plus 5. Then go by 7 plus 2 minus 4 minus 7 from 6 by 2. And this was the expression I had given. This question is from stack, like stacks and queues. Is from GATE 2024 session 1. GATE 24 session 1. So I given the order. Plus is the highest, minus has the high, like plus is left is the okay, fine. They given the order. So the order was like plus greater than minus greater than into greater than divided by highest is left associate 2 and remaining the right associate 2. So let's solve if plus is left associate 2. Means first we have to do 3 plus 2, like 3 plus 9 plus and plus 5 plus 2. And after 7 plus 2 and then let's do like 4 plus 5, 9. And here 7 plus 2, 7, 9. So we do 9 into 2, 5, 9 minus 4 minus 7 minus 6 square root. After we have negative as highest incidence. So we got to do this first. And then after this, okay, fine. First we have to do this. So minus 1 means 1 by 2. 4 minus 1 will be plus 3. 3 by 2. So whole term connected to this. And after term minus 9, like 9 into 2. Here we have to do this is highest distance. So 9 into 2 by 9 minus 3 means 6 by 2. Then we have into as highest distance. So 18 by 6 divided by 2. So if we do division, you can directly say 6 1 6 3 over 18 and 2, it can't catch it. It will copy, it will come into 2. 6 as the answer. Yes. Yes, 6 the answer. Okay, this is GATE 2024 session 1 question. First question done. Then first question. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Question. And now to go to the second question. Second question. We choose like it is push this stack operation. The question is on stack operations. So this from GATE 21 session 1 question. Okay, stack operation they are given. Consider the following stack of an operations on empty stack push 54. Like an empty stack. Okay, let us try empty stack, push 54. You have to push 54 first, and then push 52. Okay, pop, and pops, and oh, and then push 55. Okay, and then push 62. 62, and then okay, they was given S is equals to pop off. So in this case, if it is the top of the stack is called the top. So the top of the stack is told S equals to 62 here. And then consider the following sequence operation on empty stack. Okay, empty queue. Okay, they are also given one queue. Which stack is one side open and second side is closed. If you want to consider this stack, so if you want to know whether the stack is equal or not, if the stack top is equals to -1, it is empty. Else it is not empty. Empty condition. Okay. My handwriting is not okay. So this is Q. And they have given kind of the Q. Okay. In Q. This is front and this is rear. In front we are DQ. DQ is nothing but deleting. Rear is nothing but adding or updating. Can you remember like that? So first we NQ 21. Okay, 21 is here. And then NQ 24. So it will become 21 and 24. And DQ means to remove this 21. Okay. And then NQ 28, 24, 28. Okay. And then NQ 32. Okay, 24, 28, come 32. Okay. Q equals to DQ. So QL stores Q equals to DQ. DQ upon the like first element will enter into Q to solve into Q. And then they asked S plus Q. So we have got SI62. This is the top stack value, like have pop of like this value, and Q is the DQ value. So if we add S plus 2, it will become 62 plus 24. Become 6, 86. So this will be answer. Let's see. 86 will be answer. 6. Yes. 86 will be the answer. Okay. That is it. So yeah, we have done two questions. We have done two questions. Two is completed. And next question. Mm, yeah, next question. They are given. Okay. So this question is from GATE 15. GATE 2015. Session 3. When there session 3. Okay. So they have given a Postgres expression. Postfix. From Postfix. Basically 10 5 plus 60 60,6 division into 8 minus. So welding first fix. Then I have start a trick, or we have to take the operation operator, and we have to do this, consider this operation like operand operator. So yeah, this is operator, store operand. Or am I saying correct? Yeah, this is operation. This will operand one, operand two. Okay, this is operand one, this is operand two. But consider, and we have to insert the operation in between operand one and operand two. So let's do this. So 10 plus 5 will become 15, and we have 60. Okay, let's leave 60 as this. We have here operation, here operation. So 60 divided by 6, what will get? 10. Okay, 10. Here operation. So into, what will do into. So it will become 150. Then after 150 comma 8, we have this is operand to operand. So operator, we have to input between two. So 150 minus 8 will become 142. Yeah. So the answer will be 142. And because of that's suffering fine. So we have done on these three questions. So while performing postfix is also considered as same. So while performing postfix, we are choosing this one and these two interchanging. That's all. What's next? Okay, three questions from interviews. Okay. And then after, okay, let's do question from arithmetic. Okay, recently they updated K-map. There's the question on K-map. Previous question. Which number of 43, 746. 6. Let me do one question. Is some K-map. So questions weight 12. But actually they given So, uh, exam is not being that much if you know this. Consider A, B, C, D. This is mm, zero zero means just A bar, B bar, A bar, B, C, A, B, is A, B bar. Where same of C for D bar, C for D, C, D, and C, D bar. Consider this one value called 0, 1, 2, 3. This is grayscale in one. No, it's not grayscale, it's gray code. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So if we see these numbers, this is differ by one bit. If we convert into binary, and if we see it will differ by only single bit. So let us see. Consider like these two, 0 and 1, 0, 0. Okay, and 1 is in the 1. So we are difference in one bit, and we have 1 and 3. So consider 3 means what? This 1 and 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. If you take 3 bit like this 2, this is 4. Consider 3, is 30% 3. So we can see the difference only by one bit. If you consider 2, 2 means 1. 1 is 1, so it's 0, 0. So here there is difference only by one bit. So it is called gray code. It's gray code property. Um, so they have given here. So it's one and here one, one. These two are don't get conditions. We can use a simplified expression. Which don't care. So we have to find the minimal form of K-map. Okay, K-map. First of all, we have to make it possible to group the most terms. Can make these corners of corners. Get these corners. And then we left with only this one number, right? What if we take this one and this one? Okay, that's two. So we take the corners. So it will become around. So it will become like either corners. This two corners will become if I should just to leave a then we stop it by the first time. No, I mean not the first time. So let's try. So B bar and these two common is D bar. So corners are done. Corners are done. So we have this one element is left over. This one element is left over. So can do this thing. So the maximum possibility can cover these two. So what is the common in these two? If to common B bar is common. So we need to see what is common. Hence, we can simplify the power of B bar plus C. Let's go with B bar and take common frequency. So yeah, we have an answer here B bar plus B bar C. Something is the option. Let's simplify with B bar plus C bar. That's fine. This is the answer. Okay, here the key takeaway is we have to group the maximum to get the minimum SOP. or PYs also for the K-map. That's all. So they have done 4 questions. Sure. Okay, let us choose. Okay, next we choose. They go like expression. Okay, questions from GATE 21 session 2. Question is from topic digital logic. Okay. Mm, what? Then given, okay, function of function of x comma y comma z. Mm, Basically, notice sum of products like becomes 5, 6, and 7. We have the midterms. Again, which of the following statement is are correct? Okay, given. So, if they have given this means that considered as MSB. I think this MSB. This is MSB. Track. So that like it goes like this. 240, 241, 242. So first we have to draw the map for simplification. Is 1, 2, 3, 4. So six and that. Should be like that. Let's see x5 and z. It's perfect of xy, x bar, xy, and this xy bar. So z and then 1 will be 0, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So they have given 3, 1, and 6, 1, and 7, 1. 3, 5 or 7, 5. This is one. So we have to make this option or F function for the equal step plus LX. Okay, so let's keep simple distributed to sort of one distributed. So in actual plus everything is two to dominance y z bar plus z x z bar. So okay. You could vision by simplifying the question like I said. And there is option x y z plus zx. So expanded experience. Let us see if the zero restricted on this. Yeah, set number is set for and such. If we have zero and it's dot, then dot zero. So continuous one with x bar y z bar. Do not become one. Oh, no, no, no. I had a mistake. But in this game apps, we have to consider MSP and LSP very carefully. Okay, let me correct it. Careful. Step this map. And this what we have to write MSP means on the X. We should for write LS like the remaining part. YZ. Consider like this zeros like YZ bar and Y bar Z and YZ and YZ bar. This one like X bar X. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So considering this, we take this part, this bracket will be equals to X bar, Y bar, Z. As it's true. If we take this 7, X, Y, Z. Okay, this is true. Okay, yeah. This one is correct. This is correct. Okay, let's do this. Mm, we have 1, 3, 5, 6, and 7. If we do the okay, the line can form. So the output will be function y z plus x z plus x plus that is common term is well. Okay, well. So yz plus zx plus x. Then after it, yz yz plus zx plus x. Yeah, it is option. Option will be that. So this term of option is MSQ. So option B is f of x is independent of input y. No, it is independent of. Mm, okay. Now given so the given POS terms is y of 0, 1, 2, 4. Yes, it's true. This complement get this POS terms. So it is on. Okay. I need to check this concept wise. But yeah, it's true. Okay. Yeah. I mean, not I think it's true. And then independent of input X. Yeah, dependent. Okay, I think we can further simplify this out. How can I simplify this further? Okay. We have got the answer A and C are the answers. Okay, let us see how to simplify that. Can see a stroke. It's for one that six and Z plus value. Let us understand. Again, no. So yeah, we can't simplify this equation we got from the KMAP, right? Like it is already simplified equation. But I need to check the cautious theorem. What about the theorem? The cautious theorem. I don't know that, but let's check with the cautious theorem. The cautious theorem. Cautious theorem. What is cautious theorem? Okay, I'm recording this. I need to check with what cautious theorem. And okay, okay. Another question. Okay, that's your question. Okay, especially the what like this very lengthy question. I think I'm going to do this question. I had a question long back. Let's do this question. Put this from GATE 12 cases from session one. Mhm. Like even pressure for variable function have to express just in terms of the given the when the given min terms. Right, like I will not hear everything, but in XML I want to f1 equals to min term 0, 2, 3, 5, and 7, 8, 11, 30. That's min terms. F2 given as 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and 15. F3 is given as 0, 1, 4, and 11. F4 and 0, 0, 2, 6, and 13. Okay. The one next. Now given up one implementation. Yes. And get. Oh, okay. And cancel that. Input of this and it was F1 and F2. Okay. Here or get. Input was F3 and F4 were connected to XOR gate. Okay. But so here and means input of the XOR gate will be F1 dot F2 and F3 plus F4. Then, yeah, let's simplify this. So if we simplify manually, it will take so much time. So, and get. Okay, let's make this and get. And this, there's one more curve. With XOR is or and okay. Great. And get XOR gate. Okay. So if we recall what we and do, and we'll take only common terms, right? So and similar to what intersection. Okay. And is similar to intersection or is similar to like yes, like a union or is similar to union and is similar to intersection. One conflict between disjunction and conjunction. Like disjunction is for and I think so. Okay, this will call as disjunction. This is conjunction. Or I have a little bit confusion between those two terms. And to clarify this, so we can clarify right here disjunction and conjunction. Okay, I need to clarify these two. Okay, and it's cancel it and F1 and F2. Cancel F1 and F2 we will get what? So Common terms here, 3 is common, 5 is common, 7 is common, 11 is common, 13 is common. Okay, we got these terms. Okay, this term is equals to 5 and when no, first 3, 5, 7, 8, no, not 8, 11 and 13. Okay, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Yeah, mathematics is not good. Okay, so 11, 13. Some places to here we get huge use. But we have to take everything, but not repeating. So consider 0, 1, 2, 4, 6, 11, and 13. Okay, so XOR means what is exclusive terms. Exclusive terms means like terms should present only in one, not in both. So let's delete the common terms. Okay, what are the common? 13, 11 is for common. So is there any common? All right. So this will be the answer. So for y, y is equals to terms of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Nice. Don't give us this. Okay, this is 4 cross 4 K map. We got and this is 4 variable K map. We got y as 3 variable full K map. Okay, so this should be the answer. It's one option. But it is MSQ. So if you convert this into max terms, this min terms with max terms, we will omit, like we will do minus and we will represent all terms like 8, 9, and so on up to 15, like 10, 11, 12, and 15. So because this everything VT F1, F2, F3, F4, this everything contains here 13. This four variable chemistry. We have mentioned it or not. Yeah, they mentioned the question 4 variable functions. Okay, so we don't need to worry about that. So as 15, so here the answer. Okay. So then another common question. Okay. So next question. Let's do that session. I'm not interested. Let's do this section. This question is lengthy. Given the following, then came up with particular okay. Okay, they are given direct K map. Okay, they go over to K map. X, Y, and Z. Over grab to draw more okay. To draw more symbols. two, fine. 100. Oh, why I'm doing like this? So if I minimize into only write only once, not zeros. Okay, because I'm taking a SOP definition. One, one, one. Yeah, I think simply the corner on it, like visiting corner, and this everything is covered. Oh, yes. So, come between the y bar, z bar, and y z represent z, and then both this x w bar x w x x dash. Okay, come to these two constant. X bar is done. These two is done. Z bar is full. Plus, as a combination, common x common and these two z is common. Oh, questions. Yeah, I think that's good. What is this? This will become uh, x is this is uh, right. So, x not actually something x not get can. We can just say this because mm, either both terms will be false or both terms will be true. Yeah. That's just my intuition. Yeah, so, oh, what is this? Is what this is a message you should have read. Mhm. So it's the one of the answer. Definitely to find out first distance and zeros rather than this triangle. For that, implemented to this minimum rate, this minimum efficiencies implement next time. For next term, how we can resolve this simply. Selfishness so much. Okay, last time I have to just 2 plus and what has 2 plus? It's simple, right? So that means it's next time. So minimum we will have to take these two back. Take these two. That will plus like value not plus but we take complement of this to become value is z for it will become the z. Okay, let's take common. Mhm. Okay, it will become we take common And it consists of can be these two, right? These two. PM two. This is practices. Y plus z code means as y plus set bar of the promotion. This is W plus X bar. This is W bar plus X bar. Okay, if we consider these two, this is W plus X, this is W plus X plus boom. This this chat. This is Y plus power plus set. Okay, fine. This analysis. And set these two. We can get the common as well. Yeah, Z bar. Z bar plus Z bar plus is to common equal plus X. And two this one is completed. And these two terms. These two terms. Yeah. And construct these two. You get mm, so, yeah. Let that form of this. Okay, that this what it is show that must be must be LSB this LSB as well. We can show these two points. So consider these two. Get this with black one. So these two get so common is the W plus these two get common as Z W plus X into B plus Z not X not into and just complete these two strong terms get X is common plus becomes Z bar as common. Okay, fine. So good relational pattern. That's it. With C plus moment to law plus is group. So should be answer. 7 W, categories, category, subjects, physics, HTML, and descriptions, sevens. This is subjects. Z, you become 0. It's radio on down. Let's put the pictures. Exit directly to same to the the option was also option sense. First was correct. Second one. Then simultaneous zeros. We have done this, complemented, and we have taken common. Used for this common sector. We have plus this will. The word is it's not. It's just not. It's about less. Instead one. And there's mistake here. Okay, the mistake can't fix it. There's a mistake. I could compare between these movies. One, two, this is PYQs times. Okay. Well, it can be two. Still up. Instead of two. So this two. X. And plus. That is two. Z bar. Yeah. X bar is 1 plus Z is nothing. What get X into X 0. Benefit X plus X bar Z bar. Okay, it is same as this. What? Don't worry. So the question do this. Right, and I think it's related to this. Oh, not even questions cannot maybe maybe numbers and That's true. Mm. When corruption, they're showing they converted this option. I thought, no, here is ZX. Exit, this is common. Okay, they left this option. Yes, it is wanted like exit. Converted option. Okay, we can try. Hurry, this is two X plus and not into one. Okay, that's one. That's the one. Into one. It become what? W plus W plus W plus X plus Z plus W plus here with the hell what X Y also into Y is a plus Y plus. So consider like this. So we get here W plus W X bar by plus Y bar plus into Z bar. Okay. W is plus and W bar X bar Y plus 4 bar to Z bar. All this we get W Z bar plus W X bar Y bar Z bar. Okay. Plus W bar X bar by Z bar plus W bar X bar by bar Z bar. Okay. Using formal terms. Accept is not that technologies without users. And no, no, my God, we are not only still yes, for after W X bar Y bar is equal W X bar Y bar reductions so that's one present, not present. And then W only representation only present. What happens is down there. Mm, Let's measure the stripping document. Actual web bar is 1. W plus W but become 1. W but let's take it from the This is if you connect into canonical form, you will get 4. So to say I need to specific one. How this action form? Okay, to see how this option define solution. Okay. Then taken W W 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4. Okay, we actually have to yeah. So actually what I did was correct. Mm. They are misprinted here with my pencil. Misprinted there. We have to add one more option. Plus, which term is missing here? Plus W bar X bar is there. W X bar by Z. So this not it. Let's start this. So W X bar by Z. Okay. Actually, it's a printing mistake. Okay, fine. Oh my god, this question took so much time. Okay, I want a new concept. But you need to get this invoice terms conversion. Okay, let me write this. Where is my data? Conversions. Invoice to SOP conversion point. Okay, fine. Then my question. Uh, See this channel first. I need to mark it. Hold on. Let's see. This mark is on this question I have done. Okay, option corrected. This question I have done. And this question also have done. And then which this question is have done. Okay, so here's one more question. One more question and then the topic is okay, fine. So I think it's too late. It's too one more question. So to 1 o'clock. I think yeah, it's 1 o'clock. Can see here. Okay. Here are the last 3 questions from this chapter only. Can I follow Boolean expression if function value and function? They're asking minimal sum of product form. Okay. Given after PQ or is so we have to do this by given PQ plus P bar Q or plus P bar Q or bar S. Given this, they ask about us. They ask to convert minimal less of if less. Okay, so let us approach this question. For the best way to perform those, it simplifies the questions, right? So you will also simplify. If you found this out, it's great. Okay, let's start simplifying. If we take keyboard common, P plus keyboard are okay. Plus system as this yes something system plus if we consider these two, this is empty. P plus keyboard become one, P plus keyboard become Q into P plus R. Okay, plus P bar Q R bar S. If considered Q as common, R become T plus R plus P bar R bar S. What what we have to do? Consider if you don't understand, if you consider this term to consider this as what's as one single term, become P plus R bar S plus R plus Q is there. So consider this R as an expression become Q P plus S plus R. So as simplified, it will become to PQ plus QS plus RQ. PQ, yeah, there's option. Yeah, I think it will be correct when it comes to just one mark. If you draw K-map, it we have first convert it into uh, canonical like SSOP, like standard sum of product terms. We have to add these like PQ terms about one like one here to one. One means like R plus R bar, S plus S bar. We have to multiply these two for this middle term. And again, we have to do this and we have to solve and we have to find. Okay, it's a very little bit lengthy, but the marks correspond, I think, it will be the answer. So let's round it up. Let's check it. That will be the answer. And question to me. And the question, yes, it's true. Okay. Um, okay. So, yeah. And then, what are the questions? Actually, I forgot. So the question is which gate to get to the 14 session one question. If you want to do, you can. Question and so financial risk. If I can manage to do the questions. Okay, that's all last two questions. One from this chapter and another I will shift to maths. Next any question. Yes, I do get 98 question. I mean, get 1998. Oh, I haven't born it. Like I born it from three. 5. Yeah. Why he will not do that? That's fine. Okay, what the question function represent the K map below. Okay, they give K map. Okay. Yeah, so now K map. Well, they want one, pair one, and one. Okay, we can just simplify these two to get become B or C bar. C bar. Here, A bar. Okay, let's register. We'll get answer out. To be not common, it's too common. C bar is the common. Oh, what? Industry underestimate efficient. It's favorite if it is a digital we get digital will get only C bar. But there is no option here. So then what we need to do is just these two one set and these two one set. Like V bar, C bar plus B C bar. So two to anything you'll get you get C bar. That's it. But do this about gaining C bar. So okay, if you do anything you're going to give this. It has zeros. So we have to pull it stops. Uh, Damn. Finish. Will be equals to that. Yes. B bar is equal to this. Then B bar plus C bar. That was okay, this is very sad. It is common here. Common is not C bar. After that, how gain option of this AB, it would be AB plus BC plus 0. AB plus BC plus 0. It is 0. It is 0, 1, 2, 3. No, 1, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 2, 4, 4, 6. 0, 2, 4, 6. 0 to 6. What is this? 0 to 4, 6. Then I have 0 to 4, 6. Zero to 4, 6. To carry off. What carry off in two adders. So that's now some carry of two adders, right? Yeah. Till related to this is here. think if I would go like to become option B, AB plus BC plus CA. I remember that. Let's see that is the option. Okay, solve it actually. No, the option was wrong. B bar C bar plus this C. B bar C bar plus B bar C bar plus BC. Oh, so it will become like that. Nice. Underestimated this question. Was very good question. Okay. The trick, like the plate here was uh, generally we used to like this, like we used to do 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, and 1, 0, right? But here in the question they have given, or you can see 1, 1. Here it is 1, 1, 1, 0. Given this, what actually it's true, right? Okay, they are given, but what the answer is shown? Answer shown. What? Why they are rearranged? Like still the question is wrong. I mean, not the actual gate question, which I'm using for reference. This question they have mistaken. Printed out somewhat like okay, based on the uh, option they have given, I think here in the question they just mentioned here it is 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, this might be the actual question. So if you rearrange the map, like K map, this terms will become here and will become here. Okay. So now it become so now it's come as this. So to rearrange this, see like by rearrange here it will become one. So you know right. So you know the Weber C. Okay, that's true. Then it will become Weber Siber plus BC. It will be B XOR C or B XOR C whole complement. So that's same. Okay. So I say the answer is like this. Yeah, about it, but I think they just missed one thing, or here it is to mention 0, here 1, 1. Okay, now this question is done. If we should have added one question of parachute, I think can say here. Okay, or it's just one question. Last question we choose one more subject. Okay, subject next. Okay, I'm marking the questions right. Okay, I'm on the question which I'm written. Okay, this question. Okay, I'm marking this question. So last question. Subject. Oh, my board is falling. Question of just from this is one more question. That's this question from mathematical logic. Since GATE 14 questions from set 1. Okay. Set 1 gets 13 question. You haven't typed it properly. GATE 14 set 1 question. Following topologic summations true when exactly two of P comma Q comma and R are true. Okay. They have given uh, P, Q, R as variables in black markers calculator and the reflect PQR as variables. They given exactly two. Exactly two. So it's maximum like it is not almost no, it's not almost it's at most or at least if it's a different thing. Exactly two means like the case in the consider this two would be true. Yeah, this returns true. And case two would be this two will be true. Case two will be this two will be true. And case three will be this two will be true. Okay. These two cases. So the option follows which one will be true. So first options E and this and E by implication Q is not like this like an R and E and relation R. Okay, first true. So following the project formulas are true. Okay, we have to find if it's true, if exactly two of them are true. Okay, let's check with first option. PQ true. I mean, for the first chance, PQ will be true. Yeah, true. This is the implication. It's not. Yeah, like if the both terms will be negative, but I mean, true or false, it will be true. Just true. This is like this means like just action or get like this like okay, I will write this as in box just as P from Q or P exact Q whole complement. Okay, it's two. Sure. Sure. We'll get P bar Q bar plus Q perfect. That's will true and R it depends on R. Okay, fine. We do like this like P Q. Okay, let's suppose R will be true. If case one R will be true, then let W will be true. System will true say false to become false. If there are no, it will be true. And if the case two which is R is false, That is false is true. Instead that term will true. Okay, first of all, look at this MSQ. It is MCQ. Yes, first of all, will be correct. And second option, okay, let's dive into second option. Okay, let us see how it feels. This was the condition. Okay, let us see. First, negation. Negation of what it is complement to the option given as Q, the function, uh, uh, from PMQL or what, okay, thanks. Okay, this was the option. Let us check it if it's true or not. Negation as what it is negation. We want to remove the negation. Okay, let's do think of that. So because we remove and we become more complex. So because if you know these both are true, it will be true. This will be true and this is false. Okay, this is false. And R. Okay. Okay, like us. So let's jump to R is true. And R is true and it will be false. Okay, so false. And if R is true, this false. R is followed to wait, wait. It's false, right? It doesn't depend on R. It is false. Okay, here P is true. It is true. If R is false, it will become true. Okay, if R is true, it will become false. False will become true. So it depends on R. But they have given it exactly true. Everything will be true. So option is false. Because it depends on if R is false, it will be true. If R is true, it will be false. Correct. So it will become completely false. So yeah, option B is false. So let us see option C as well. Just option C, what the heck then on is B for P implication. If then and or P and Q and negation of Q. Let us see this condition. If this is fairness, want to prove. Okay, what? No, if we can make it faster, then if we can make it faster, then true to test true. And let us consider this case. Now we consider what this case. In this case, set this prepare this case here. Will become that consider q equals to false first false. Q equals to false case. To become what? To become false. False and everything will be false. Now and is MS is false. It definitely is okay. Fine. It is false. We don't need to check it next. So that's really false. The instruction will be negation P multiplication Q and R and Q and P and R. Now, so yeah, like if we take it by default we false, right? Consider this okay. Exactly to okay. If consider P equals to true equals to this condition, Q equals to false. In P are false, but if we consider any one false, this true and this R is true. So R combined will be a false and infinite will be a false. This true and equal and that will be false. The option will be wrong. Yeah, I think only one option is correct. It is MPQ. Only is correct. So yeah, that's it. That's it. I have done with last question as well. So 10 questions done today. So 10 PYQs done today. So I had only 178 days left. No, actually it is around 178 days left. Just 6 months. Okay. So what I have to read? I noted down here. Can see like I will go through Cauchy's theorem. I'll go to Cauchy's theorem and distinction and conjunction. Like I have confusion between distinction and conjunction, and then I will see how POS converted to SOP and SOP is converted to POS. These three topics. Okay, and then I show the time. The time is 1:30 almost. Yeah. Yeah, it's the end of the live stream. Have a great day. Have a great day. Okay, good luck. Good luck. I don't know whether my voice is capturing or not. English stream. If it captures it, okay. If it's not.